Static friction, sliding friction, rolling friction. When you try moving a barrel that is kept vertically upright, you will feel that the initial force required from you to move it is quite high. But once the barrel starts to move, you will notice that the force needed from you is lesser than what was initially necessary. Again, if you decide to tilt the barrel and roll it on the ground, you will now require the least amount of force of all. Okay, let's start moving the barrel all over again to learn the types of friction that comes into play during these stages. The friction that exists when we first try to move the barrel at rest is known as static friction. Next, the friction that exists when the barrel starts to slide over the ground is known as sliding friction. And finally, the friction that exists when the barrel rolls on the ground is known as rolling friction. So the strongest frictional force is static friction. See, when the barrel is at rest, there is serious interlocking between the two surfaces, and hence a large amount of force is required to overcome the static friction. And when it slides or rolls, there is not enough time for this interlocking to occur, resulting in a lesser amount of force required to overcome the sliding or rolling friction. Hence, we can say that static friction is more than sliding friction, which again is more than rolling friction.